Hi, I'm going to show you some basic features and tools in Gmail, including scheduling messages, using Drive files with Gmail, archiving, adding events to calendar, using labels, searching, and filtering. First, let's compose a message. Okay, so now I've got my message. I want to attach some files to it. I'm going to do that with my Drive here. I'm going to search for the file that I want. I'll attach another one. So I've got these attachments on here. They're going to send as Drive files. I'm also going to schedule my message. I can choose these, or I can pick my own date and time. And I'm going to click Schedule Send. That's scheduled to go. It gives me this message down here that it is scheduled for tomorrow. I can find it here in the scheduled email. There it is. And if I want to edit it, I have to open it and cancel the send. Now I can do any editing I need to. And schedule it again. Now I can see it's scheduled. It's down here in I've got a message, and up here I can see it's scheduled in there. Let's look at how to add Drive files to your My Drive from an email. When I open this up, I've got two Google Drive files here, and I want to add these to my Drive. They've been sent to me. Down here, when I hover over them, I see this plus with a triangle to add them to my Drive. Also, if you do it over here, you can add all of them to your Drive. I'm going to add this one. It's adding a shortcut because it's not owned by me, but I can organize it now. And here I can use the arrows to find where I want it to go. Now that's added to my Drive as a shortcut, and I can organize it how I want to. Now I'm going to archive a message. I'm just going to click here to select it. I'm not going to delete it, I'm just going to archive it. It's archived, it stays down here in my all mail, but it's not in my inbox anymore. I can search for it. And find it again. Baby goat meeting right down here. And I can send it back to my inbox if I like to. So it's not ever gone. It's just moved into my all mail from my inbox. Now I'm going to look at adding an event to calendar. There's this message. I'm going to click Add to Calendar, Create Event. You may need to adjust the day and the time. Sometimes it does it automatically, sometimes it doesn't. You've got the message attached down here, and you can invite guests over here if you need to. Now it's on my calendar. Right here. Next, I'm going to add a label. If I look down here in the labels, I'm going to create a new label. I'm going to call it goats. Now I can just move anything with goats into that, really manually organizing things. Later, if I want to go in and look at that, that's everything I've dragged into it. It keeps things organized, and I can do it really manually without a lot of work. Gmail is great because it's really good to search. You can search up here just using some keywords or some names of people who might be in your email. But if you use the advanced search, you can search in a much deeper way inside your Gmail. You can search using all of these parameters. I am going to search for something with goat. And it's going to come up with everything in my inbox that's got that. I can also use this search to create a filter. What the filter is going to do, if I apply a label to it, I can star it or I can delete it. There are other things you can do with filters, but here I'm just going to send it to the label, goats, anything that falls into this search. So anything that's got the word goat in it, create filter. Now any future emails I get are going to go right in here to goats and be labeled with goats. Thanks and good luck using your Gmail.